The Fujifilm X-Pro line has long held a special place in the hearts of photographers, blending classic rangefinder aesthetics with modern mirrorless technology. However, the future of this iconic series has become one of the most talked about mysteries in the camera world. Rumors indicate that Fujifilm may not even release an X-Pro 4 under that name. Several reliable sources suggest the company could skip the number 4 entirely, likely due to cultural associations, and jump straight to XPro 5, or even align the naming with newer cycles in the X series, possibly calling it XPro 6. This early uncertainty underscores how deliberate and cautious Fujifilm is being in shaping the next generation of the XPro line. Unlike the rapid refresh cycles of other manufacturers, Fujifilm appears committed to making this upcoming model a substantial upgrade rather than a minor revision, taking its time to ensure the next camera represents a meaningful leap forward. Throughout 2025, the strongest consensus among leaks, analyst predictions, and insider reports has been around timing. Multiple sources, including Daily Camera News and Fuji X Weekly, now agree that an X-Pro release will almost certainly not happen this year. Earlier predictions suggested a late 2025 launch, but these timelines have gradually shifted into 2026. Fuji X Weekly, a respected voice within the Fujifilm community, now points to early 2026 as a more realistic window for the next X-Pro camera. K&F Concept has even suggested that there may be no X-Pro successor released in 2025 at all. While such a delay may initially seem disappointing, it aligns with the broader strategy Fujifilm has followed in recent years. The company no longer rushes out incremental updates, preferring instead to wait for significant developments that justify a flagship-level release. This approach highlights a careful balance between innovation and maintaining the brand's storied reputation. Much of the speculation surrounding the next X-Pro revolves around its sensor and processor. Reports consistently hint at a new generation of Fujifilm's X-Trans sensor combined with a more powerful processor. Daily Camera News claims that this pairing would bring faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and enhanced low-light performance. Such advancements would align the new X-Pro with the capabilities of the latest X-series cameras, such as the X-T5, while offering refinements tailored to the X-Pro line. Additionally, there is speculation that the new camera could feature a 40-megapixel sensor, following the trend set by Fujifilm's recent APS-C offerings. While nothing has been confirmed, the resolution increase seems plausible, reflecting both technological progress and the competitive demands of the APS-C market. Historically, Fujifilm has gradually trickled its newest sensor and processor technologies into the X-Pro line rather than introducing entirely unique components, so this rumor fits well within their established pattern. One of the most requested upgrades from the Fujifilm community has long been the addition of in-body image stabilization. The absence of IBIS in previous X-Pro models has been a notable limitation for photographers, particularly those shooting with longer lenses or in low-light situations. Recent leaks indicate that the next X-Pro could finally address this gap by including IBIS, which would be a major leap forward for the series. Achieving this upgrade presents a technical challenge, however, as Fujifilm must integrate stabilization without compromising the X-Pro slim rangefinder-style design. If executed successfully, IBIS could transform the X-Pro experience, allowing photographers to achieve sharper handheld shots under a wider range of conditions while preserving the line's signature handling and ergonomics. This feature alone could be one of the most significant improvements in the series' history. The design of the upcoming X-Pro is also reportedly being approached with extreme care. Leaks suggest a magnesium alloy body with enhanced weather sealing, strengthening durability without adding excessive weight. Other rumors indicate USB-C PD charging, modernizing the line in terms of power delivery and usability. The hybrid viewfinder, a defining feature of the X-Pro series, is expected to see meaningful refinements. Reports hint at a higher refresh rate, improved parallax correction in the optical portion, and smoother transitions between optical and electronic modes. These enhancements could modernize the viewing experience without compromising the charm of the OVF/EVF dual system, which has long been a hallmark of the series. If the viewfinder sees a substantial upgrade, it could become one of the defining characteristics of the next-generation X-Pro camera. Despite the excitement surrounding potential upgrades, there is a sense of concern within parts of the Fujifilm community. On discussion platforms such as Reddit, some users have expressed fears that Fujifilm may no longer prioritize the X-Pro line, citing the long interval since the X-Pro 3 and the relative scarcity of leaks compared to other Fujifilm models. Others suggest that the company may be cautious because the next X-Pro cannot be a mere incremental refresh. To justify the high price point in the extended development period, the successor must deliver something genuinely innovative. It must preserve the tactile, rangefinder-inspired philosophy that defines the XPro series while also introducing meaningful enhancements to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving camera market. This tension between tradition and innovation appears to be influencing the pace and scope of development. Based on the most reliable reports, it is now widely accepted that Fujifilm will not release the XPro 4 in 2025. The company seems focused on crafting a camera that represents a significant step forward. Early indications suggest that the new model, whether called XPro 5, XPro 6, or another name, could include a next-generation sensor and processor, an improved hybrid viewfinder, IBIS, a stronger and more durable body, and modernized power delivery options. Design leaks and concept images suggest a slightly larger grip for better ergonomics, a more traditional rear screen instead of the hidden flip display used on the XPro 3, and a reinforced top plate with enhanced weather sealing. Titanium may even return for the top cover, although this has not been confirmed. An articulating screen is possible, but many Fujifilm enthusiasts prefer a fixed or tilt-only panel for street and travel photography, indicating that Fujifilm may aim to balance innovation with user preferences. The next XPro sensor is likely to be a highlight. By adopting a new generation of X-Trans technology, Fujifilm could achieve faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and better low-light performance, aligning the camera with the technical capabilities of the X-T5 while offering refinements tailored to the Pro series. This upgrade could include a leap in resolution to around 40 megapixels, putting it on par with recent APS-C innovations and helping the camera remain competitive in the face of rival offerings from Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Paired with a more powerful processor, this sensor could provide not only image quality gains but also faster overall performance, enhancing both still photography and video workflows. The potential inclusion of IBIS would further elevate the camera, offering photographers the ability to shoot handheld with longer lenses or slower shutter speeds, reducing motion blur and enhancing image sharpness under challenging conditions. Taking all these factors into account, the picture that emerges is one of careful planning and thoughtful innovation. The next Fujifilm X-Pro, likely arriving in early 2026, seems poised to deliver a powerful combination of heritage design, modern sensor and processor technology, IBIS, improved autofocus, an upgraded hybrid viewfinder, and a more robust, weather-sealed body. Additional modernizations such as USB-C PD charging and possibly titanium elements in the top plate further demonstrate Fujifilm's intent to create a flagship that feels premium, durable, and forward-looking. While the exact release date, final specifications, and even the name remain unconfirmed, the camera appears to be shaping up as a landmark APS-C flagship that could redefine expectations for the XPro line. For photographers who value the tactile, rangefinder-inspired experience, the combination of classic design and cutting-edge technology promises to make the long wait worthwhile.